Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a wig from the company Jessie's Wigs. And the reason why I'm so obsessed with this wig, and you should be too, is because of the roots of this wig. So you guys can see right here, I have a wig on that has really dark roots, and that's all I can get my hands on. And I always wanted to look as if I was a natural blonde with highlights, but I could never get my hands on one of those. And every time Jessie's Wigs sends me a new wig, it looks as if like I'm a natural blonde getting some highlights done. So if you guys have been looking for wigs like that too, you guys are gonna be so in love with this wig. I can't wait to share with you guys. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. So opening up the box, I'm gonna show you this amazing wig and why I love it so much. So pulling it straight out of the box, you guys can see how blonde this is. It's almost like the same blonde as this, the wig that I'm wearing right now, but this is the difference, the roots. Look how gorgeous these roots are right here. I have a friend who's naturally blonde and she pays around like $300 to $400 a month to get her hair to look like this. They're just so good at coloring when it comes to Jessie's Wigs. The coloring is beyond compare. Like if you look at this one here, all of a sudden, this wig looks fake. It doesn't look as natural anymore because this one's roots are just so beautiful. So this is definitely going to be that natural blonde, like bombshell look. If you guys love that look, this is that wig. And if you guys can tell, I'm gonna try and show you guys. It's really hard to show you guys, but it has like these little pieces that frame the face. So it has these little layers throughout the wig that just make it look so beautiful and stunning. And this is the 12-inch. If you guys want longer, they have the option of 14-inch, and they also have a shorter option. So if you like a bob look, they also have the 12-inch option. So the one thing I really want to show you guys is if you guys are not good at gluing down your wigs, I am going to show you how I glue down this wig today, but if you guys are not good at gluing down your wigs and you guys just want to pop on a wig, you can do that with this wig. And the reason is because if you look inside, they have tons of these clips all inside, which just means that you're going to be able to have a really secure wig that is not going to budge. It's not going to move. When the wind comes, it's staying on your head because of all these clips. Another thing I wanted to mention in the inside is that you guys can see all of here is all of lace. Okay, the whole thing is lace. This wig is just basically right here that's lace. And this one inside of the wig is all lace. That means you can part it however you like. So if you do not like a middle part and you're like, oh my gosh, I cannot get away with that, then you can part it however you like, and no matter where you part it, it's gonna have that gradual same tone no matter where you part it. So I simply want to show you guys how easy it is whenever I use the Got to Be Glue spray. This is how easy it is to apply and take off your wig. So if you see, I'm just going to lift this wig up, and you see how easily it comes off. It doesn't rip any of your hairs off, your baby hairs off. It doesn't do anything like that. And that's why I love Gotta Be Glue spray. So I'm going to be using it with this one as well. So let's get started. Let me show you guys exactly what this looks like on my head. I cannot wait because it is so stunning. So this is the wig just plopped onto my head. This is what it looks like. Like, how stunning. This is what I mean when I say I want to be blonde. I want to be a natural blonde. This is exactly what I'm talking about. How beautiful is this? Like, I don't have a wig cap underneath my hair, which is insane because I have like blackish, dark brown hair. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's super dark, and I don't have an actual wig cap on. I just have like one of those sticky type of headbands, and that is it. This wig is so pretty, and the hairline, like the haircut, everything. Let me show you a close-up. Oh my gosh, when I go to the salon, like, why can't they do this to me, you know? Like, I know there's so many girls that probably struggle with the same thing. Like, I just want to look like I'm a real blonde. This is what I want. So enough talking, let me go ahead and do a voiceover and show you guys exactly how I apply this, how I cut the lace, and how I do everything. Let's get started. So what I'll do from here is I'll just spray some Gotta Be Glue spray on my forehead and then place the wig over it. And what I usually do is I'll go like section to section, so from ear to ear, and take my time and really make sure that the lace is down in each part. But for some reason, I just sprayed this all over my forehead this time around and hoped for the best. And I wish I wouldn't have done that because there was some lace left on my forehead. So if you guys are wondering if this is big head friendly, it definitely is. There is so much lace to work with. There's so much wig to work with. And I have a very small head. This is not a problem if I would have taken my time section by section, but because I didn't, I had lace that was left over on the top of my forehead. So anyway, I decided, as I was like playing around with the hair, I decided that I actually loved like a side part on the other side. Random. I liked the look of this wig when it was not in its section, like the section that it came in. I wanted to create my own hairline. And once I did this, I just loved the look of this wig so much more. And it just seemed like there was like volume and the way I like wigs to look and I like my hair to look. So that is why all of a sudden I changed the section up. And it also just shows you that you can be doing this. Like it's not, you don't have to go with the hairline that they automatically give you. This can be sectioned no matter however you like. And to do this, what you can do is you can actually use these flat combs. I am going to be using that to show you guys that you can use that. But all right, so this is the end result, guys. I hope you guys like this style. Like this looks like I went to the salon, worked hard on my hair, told them like I paid hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars for my hair to be done. When in reality, this wig was so affordable. If you guys need an affordable wig, then you must pick this up for this summer. This blonde is just stunning. It does not look fake at all. Like it looks so realistic. And I'm obsessed. So if you guys want an extra like 20 bucks off, I believe it is, then make sure to use my discount code JasmineClarity or JasmineClarity. I'm not sure which one. I'll leave it up on the screen what my code is, and make sure to use the link down below to get this wig so the company knows that you're coming from me. It really helps me out and helps the company know where you received all your info. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Is this one of your favorite all-time wigs? It definitely is of mine, and I'll see you guys in the next. Bye guys.